Boom. It's very wet. Please? Fuck off. Bastard, you fucking beauty, you dirty. Yes, please. Floor's fucking humming. My God. I did it! Oh, that is fucking Fire was getting out of hand very quickly, all over the ground, and it would have set the lot on fire, so I've kind of stomped it out, put a little bit of oat milk on it, and that seems to have died down. Okay, can fire's back up again. I'd never done that, that just went up itself. Fuck. Fucking hell. I know a boy who's having coffee. It's me! Oh, that is gonna be delectable. Can of beans for the boys? Yes, please. If you don't mind. This is sponsored by Strap 'em In. It's the only lager that I'll drink. I prefer the best every single time. I will not settle for less than the best, and that's what I get every single time. Thirst is quenched immediately. Couple of fucking beans. All these other shit munchers would settle for anything other than Heinz. I like Heinz because Heinz are the best. And if you want to be the best, you're going to eat Heinz too. That's going to be fucking noodles, isn't it? Oh, somebody's been shopping. Fuck. Somebody's been shopping at Noodles R Us. And that little boy's me. Ooh! I'm really scared to drink through this in case it's scalding hot. Somebody turns up at the coffee machine, everybody else has got mugs. Of course, some guy turns up with one of these fucking bad boys. Don't spill it! Very easy to spill it. I know exactly what you mean, Sharon. That guy's not pulling his weight. He's not doing enough spreadsheets. Oh, nah. Oh, that's hot as fuck. There's just tree juice dripping in my food. Hi, welcome to Chris's cooking show. Best cooking in the world. We're cooking up some noodles just. They're looking a real treat. They seem to be doing really well. Fucking blunt as fuck. Burger, a random mushroom. Tastes just like really low quality meat. Oh, hot. Oh, it's really hot. Pop those off the hob. They look incredible. Restaurant quality. Gordon Ramsay must have been hiding out in these woods somewhere. No, that's fine. I prefer it undercooked anyway, if I'm honest. Give that a little stir over there, and that way everybody's in on the party. Stir. Oh, it's hot. Somebody's gonna have diarrhea tonight because real meat's for paedophiles. Look at the fucking state of that. Dog shit in a mess tin. Hi guys, welcome to Hungry Helen's cooking show. What are you looking at? Extra virgin olive oil. Oil! Oh yeah, fuck it. Gotta die of something, it might as well be a heart attack. Scoosh, scoosh, scoosh. Chorizo sausages. Oh, these sausages are overlapping. They're all overlapping. How are they going to cook when they're all overlapping? The answer to that would be they're not. They're not going to cook nicely. They're going to cook uneven, and some of them are going to be raw, but it is what it is. Oh, got it on the trousers too. So now that these tomatoes and onions are ready, they're looking absolutely scrumdiddlyumptious. Who's there? Look at that in all its glory. Big old pile of shit. There's been an absolute explosion of coffee inside my bag. So now there's coffee all over the mushrooms, all over the carrots, all over the sweet potatoes. So we're eating fuck all pretty much now. It's going good so far. Oh, a little bit. Fuck's sake. Oh, that just did not go. Oh, fuck off! Fuck this.
Noodle fire.
Too wet. Not long now. Not long now. Add some spice in there because you know what? I like diarrhea as much as the next man. Build it up. Build it up. Oh. Fuck's sake. Fucking hell.